Yo, so guys, welcome back to another video. This is another reaction to animal videos. Actually, I did an animal reaction just now, and it seems I've just done two in the same day. And this one is top 10 incredible encounters of wild animals invading people's homes. I remember I've had comments of people saying they've had, maybe not in their homes, but just sort of cases of like the wild animals of people from the US, for example, or in Florida, like crocodiles going into people's homes. And I feel like I've seen pictures and like videos pop up on my Twitter feed on my YouTube, and I just sort of watched it before. And it's crazy, man. The thought of that happening is wild. But I saw this video pop up after my last reaction. I literally just saw it and suggested, and I thought actually this could be a real sort of video that I just sort of actually want to see, if that makes sense. But I don't know if you're going to enjoy this. Maybe I'll do some more animal type videos. I don't really know how this will go down, but yeah, let's just get into this. Before we get into those, check out my Instagram and my Twitter, links in the description for those if you want to follow. Save my Patreon, links all there for those interested. But let's check this out, man. And we're starting off with elephants in someone's garden. I mean, they have to be in Africa, right? I feel like elephants are only in Africa, aren't they? Actually, they're in India as well. Wait, so where actually are elephants in the world? I'm not going to search up. Don't worry about asking that question. I don't even know why I'm saying that. Oh, I thought the elephant was going to soak them. They can be quite dangerous, can't they? They are wild creatures, man. Look at them. They are absolutely insane. God damn. Oh my.
Dem has come, dem.
God, that crashes into you. You're getting knocked
Dem
out.
has come, dem. Dem has come, dem.
God, they love a jump, don't they?
Hvorfor hopper alle sammen?
What the?
Whoa.
Why are they always jumping at this bit? As well. It's jumped in his way.
Wow.
Now that was crazy.
Men tænker, hvad?
Oh! She just came to the house to be sick.
Oh my god, he's just been sick everywhere!
What a psycho. That would drive me nuts.
Mate, go away! Go away! Get out!
Mate, the US is... this is in the US. I don't even care. This is Florida again, man. Or just somewhere in the south. There's just like a crocodile in someone's home, in someone's garden, man. Oh my days.
That's what they want to do. They want to roll.
What the fuck? God, it's hitting.
That's what they want to do. They want to roll. Get on the bed.
Mate, the US is nuts, man. You've just got crocodiles rolling in a garden, man.
That's when he rolls it.
And look at the power as well. This isn't even a big one. It's so weird. What's happened to his mouth?
And then he swung his tail all over the place.
At least he didn't knock over the big green egg. I'm moving out.
The big green egg.
Assassino.
And then
Okay, everybody calm down.
Yes, calm down.
Listen, let me tell you something.
Oh my days, man.
And I want to hear noises.
They're quite close to it, bro. Fuck. Fucking hell.
Don't yield, Piper.
But this is still the same home. What does this do then? Does he like calm it down? Or does it like make it want to go? Or does it like annoy it and make it want to go away? How the hell did they grab it like that? Is that how you get rid of alligators? What? Oh! Oh, sound up. There we go, sound up now. Oh, they're gonna... They better not show anything like that. Oh, they're trying to put it to sleep. I see, I see. Kangaroos, man. Now, I saw a video of this, like a kangaroo fighting a human, and these are powerful, man. I mean, you can tell by the way they jump, but goddamn, they're powerful. They're cute as hell, though, man. What's he trying to do? Oh! That's amazing. What the fuck? I just pet the dog.
The front.
So these are raccoons. These are the ones that I was thinking about. Look at them all like creeping up together.
Come on. Come on. Out the door. Go. You guys are huge. Come on. Stop. Go. Oh my God. Out the door. There you go. There's one. They all are. Look at this one. Two.
Where the fuck's that one gone? Just hitting the wall.
Come on. Go.
Oh, they are so cute, man.
No, not in the wall. Come on. Go. 3. Go. Go on.
Oh, they're so cute,
4.
man. Look at the two just hiding in the
5.
wall.
Come on. Go. Go. Come on. 6. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Go. Come on, Tubbs. Let's go.
He's a chubster, isn't
Out
he?
the door.
He does not want to go.
Go. Wait for this bear.
How are you going to get rid of these two? There's another one hiding.
Look at this one. Come on. Out.
He's just gone now. Are they all staying out like, together now? Do they like stay together? I want to see if they're all together.
มันขึ้นข้างบนหรือเปล่า
Is that a snake? Oh my god, man.
ดึงมันไหวปะหัวมันอยู่ไหนดูหัวมันก่อนนะเดี๋ยวแม่แง้มเอา
มันติดแล้วน่ะ
มาฉันถึงเอาฉันไปเอาอันมาอันใหญ่ฉันมีไม้อันใหญ่ดึงได้เอาป่ะล่ะเอาเซมเอาไม้ดิไม้เซมเอาเชือกอะไร
How
ไป
does
เป
this
ล่า
snake even get in the wall?
ของคอนไม่ได้เฉย
ผมว่าโชว์
ไม่ของฉันใหญ่กว่านี้แล้วเชือกก็ใหญ่ด้วยเอาไหมล่ะเซมนอนเดี๋ยวดีกว่านะ
ไม่ทำแล้ว
ทานไปมันไม่ไปหรอก
พอดูเอาแค่นี้
อ
เอา
ยู่ไม่อยู่เยอะ
มันไปมันออกมาได้แล้วติมันล็อกตัวไปแล้วมัน รับตัวไปแล้วครับ
Bruh, I could not do a job like this, man. I'd be too scared.
หัวมันหัวนะ
เอาไม้ก่อนปะ
ดึงตัวได้ไหมหัวอยู่นี่หัวนี่เดี๋ยวให้แกจัดการเดี๋ยวไอ้เซมมาเซมมาดึงมาก่อนดึงหัวมาก่อน
ระวังปะมีชกนะ
เอาเลย
Oh shit.
โอเคเดี๋ยวเลย
This is a nuts job, man. I could not do that. That's got to be like a python, man.
ระวังขอสกิลคาด้วย
วันช่วยดึง
ดึงยอดตรงนี้โยก
ได้ปะ
Oh!
ได้น้ำมันนะ
วัดแรกยาวเชือกมา
Can I just bite through the bag? There's a bear. Oh my days! It just gets crazier and crazier. Trying to eat the bird food, are you? What the fuck? He can't even reach it. He's foaming at the mouth, man. He needs that food. Oh, mate, he nearly got it. Is it just the bear trying to get the food? Oh, he's actually got it done, I think. Oh no, he's just giving up. He's just eating off the floor. 10th one. What's this gonna be, man? So... It's open the damn door! Oh! Oh my, they open doors in the middle of the night. You're not even safe in your homes. Comment under this video if you're at this point, what's the craziest animal that you've ever had walk into your house? For me, it's probably a cat. Or a random dog. Someone walking their dog just randomly came in our house. But that's the limits of it for me. This is... absurd, man. What's he even doing? That is ridiculous, man. And he's gone, I think. They're so smart. So confused. I said he's so smart, he's getting confused by that. Oh! Oh shit, the power door. He's broke the damn door. I mean, this is a really good video, man. This is insane, man. Some of these are crazy. 026, I think the heart of a human in this video is being faster than the elephant more close to him. The seagull is definitely of higher intelligence than the screaming thing. It cracks me up how bears could literally operate a door without ripping it off the hinges. The crews were so fat and cute, sir. Please don't make us go outside. The man of the raccoon party was at least being kind and patient with the chunky things. I'd be worried about who was chasing those giant deer through their yard. The alligator being dragged around the street reminded me of a dog on a leash that didn't want to walk, but never drag a dog. Getting to be that close to elephants, opportunity of a lifetime. Yeah, that was crazy. Those two people relaxing by the pool didn't move a muscle. Who else was expecting elephants to spray the lounging couple? Yep. I was disappointed they didn't. I was literally there thinking that's going to happen. The gator was like, I'm going to destroy everything I possibly can before I go. That croc was just shithousing it, man. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Wait, I just want to see. Where is it? Gator. I keep calling it a crocodile, for God's sake. I can't ever tell the difference. But yeah, man, this is a really cool video. If you want to see more stuff like this, please suggest animal videos or like some like this in people's gardens or just anything like that. Please suggest them and I'll be sure to do some in future. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy this one. Until next time, like, subscribe. Peace.